In the last video, we were talking about that how we can find the authors and their profile on the Scopus database. But for now, we are going to learn that how we can find the authors based on different topics. The process you already know that first you have to register yourself on the Scopus database in the order to approach this window. So there is a window, and now we have to click on research discovery. So first you will click on research discovery. This window will be appeared in front of you that will ask you to search your desired keyword. So I will click on here and I will search, let's say, sustainability. This is the keyword I want to search the authors who are working on this keyword. So I will press the enter. Once I will press the enter, you will see that we have following a list of author based on our keyword. Here you can see the author from all over the world. We can see their profiles. You can further refine your research based on years, based on country, and based on the organization. Let's say I want to search author profile based on country. Let's say I want authors from Malaysia. So I will click on Malaysia. And now I want particular organizations authors list. Let's say I want this particular university. So I will click on apply. And you will see that we have the authors from that particular organizations based on our selected keywords based on sustainability. So further things you can do, you can click, you can see the option sort by on the left side of your window. So you can click on this particular options in the order to refine your search. Let's say we want the author list based on the highest citation. So I will click on this option and you will see that we have particular author list based on their highest citations. Further, you can see the document, the number of matching documents, their total documents, and their H index. So for further details of the author, you can click on preview profile. Once you will click on it, you will see their organization's detail, their experience, and latest matching documents based on years. If you want further details about this particular authors, so you can click on view full profile. This is another way to access the author's profile. And here you can see that you can find the authors based on particular topic.